So in this video, I'm going to go through all the different versions of Internet Explorer that came with all the different versions of Windows in the last 25 years, from 1990 to 2015, where Windows 10 came out. So let me get started here. So the first version of Windows, Windows 3, or Windows 3.1.1, there was no browser because the internet was not exactly popular back then. There was something called Gopher and you know, all those other stuff. So there was no browser for this version. The next version is Windows 95, and for Windows 95, this is the first ever Internet Explorer that came with 95, and you'll notice it is version 3, and it's very bland. There's there's just navigating, and you could tell right now it doesn't even support a simple web page like a Google, just the Google home page. So that's Windows 95. The next version is Windows 98, and this Internet Explorer is actually 5. So by the time Windows 98 came out, Internet Explorer already caught up with Netscape, and for the most part actually overtook Netscape at that time as one of the most popular web browsers. At those times, there were the browser wars between Netscape and Internet Explorer, and nowadays a lot of people probably have never heard of Netscape. So but you'll notice it has the sort of cool icons here, and it looks a little bit more modern. So the next iteration, a year later or 2 years later, is Windows Millennium, and Windows ME has the version 5.5, which looks fairly similar by default. All the buttons are slower and the concentration is on the web browsing. So that's Windows ME. The next version is actually Windows XP. So Windows XP, things really get a little bit modern. The icons are cleaned up here, and in Windows XP is version 6. So this is the browser, and the next version is Windows Vista. So Windows Vista, you'll notice, is the first time the tabs come about. So here you'll notice in Windows XP the tabs are not non-existent yet, but in Windows Vista, for version, let's see what version this is version 7, the tabs come out. So this is the point where you could actually navigate multiple web pages via these tabs. So that was in Vista. The next version is Windows 7, and Windows 7, the version in Windows 7 is actually Windows 8. I mean Internet Explorer 8 here. So this is sort of similar to what we've seen in Vista with the tabs. And the next version is Windows 8 here. And Windows 8 has a very simplified look, with the tabs being the dominant feature at the top, with the menu options hidden. So this is actually version 11, and I'm not sure if it came with version 11. I believe it came with version 10. This is a more updated version of because it's Windows 8.1 here. So going to Windows 10, Windows 10 has the same version, which is Internet Explorer 11 here. So there you go. That's the evolution of Internet Explorer through 25 years, from Windows 3.1.1, well, I guess more from Windows 95 to Windows 10 here. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.